Complete meal plan for Mediterranean diet. Immerse yourself in the flavors of the Mediterranean with our complete meal plan for a Mediterranean diet. Enjoy heart-healthy recipes rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Experience the benefits of this timeless eating style with meals that are both tasty and nutritious. The complete meal plan for Mediterranean diet is all about embracing whole grains, fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This plan typically includes meals like Greek salads, grilled fish, and hearty vegetable stews, ensuring you get a variety of nutrients. It's designed to be delicious and heart-healthy, drawing inspiration from the traditional eating habits of Mediterranean countries.